What's up, y'all? I'm Chad with Deep Woods. What's up? Got Tant. Today we're doing something a little different. We ain't gold panning. We creek chubbing. If you don't know what that is, you ain't from the south. Come down here to this creek, we're gonna catch us some little fish. Got these little cane poles, the flies. All you need is a pole. Let's get it. That beaver dam got tore down. Look at all that. Ooh. Welcome to Chubby Creek. And started building the dam back. Has shit. It's Tant's favorite line. Getting anything? This fly just ain't cutting it, so we're gonna put the little gold worm on. Hey, yeah. All right, now let's see if our luck's any better. Take gold. Well, the material look good. Material look good. Oh dang. That's a piece of gold. Yeah, just cast my lure. Been on down the creek, got a few bites, not a lot. A lot of cool spots down here. This is me and Tant's private creek. Awesome waterfalls, big pools. So, might bring the high banker down here, the dredge. See if there's anything out here. So this is one of the falls. Hey, that's washed out a lot since the last time we was down here. I actually dropped my phone right down in that one time and had to jump in there and get it. It's pretty good. Have one. Got one? Boy, that's a damn monster. Woo! Son, we eating good tonight. We eating damn good tonight. That's a thick one. Well, that's a trophy one. That's a trophy chub.
Fat.
Yeah. I got one. Yeah. Woo! But I'm telling you what, I don't want a daggone lake tournament. That bad boy right there. What y'all know about that gold? Well, there's two of them out. We eating good tonight if we was to be out here surviving. Not eating good, but we got something. Snack. No. Look at that draw right up. That old gold. He got the, what you got on there? See what you working with. I got this little trout jig. Little gold one. You know, I like gold. They working with this. Little fly. Yeah, buddy. It's about snack 30. Oh yeah, snack time. What's up? Y'all ever seen these? They great. And they don't get crushed because they're in a plastic container. And if you find gold on the tray, just wash this out and throw some gold in it. Ha! Big old copperhead fell out of them bushes right there into the water and swam up into the rocks, but I missed it. Now Tant's wanting to shoot it. Shoot the hell out of it, bro. Shoot that water right there. See if it'll come out the bank. Oh, shit. Look at that big old thing up there.
Oh man.
Oh God, he's gone. This ain't no fish here.
He's been here for years too.
Oh yeah. We're gonna have to bring the high banker out, Andrew. Do some digging. We're gonna fish that little spot now. Tamp missed it, and I just hooked it. Look at that whopper. Yeah.
Let's do something. She done hung up with that. Hung at home with kids.
Oh yeah. Right there. We have some National Geographic shit today.
That is a red-headed woodpecker.
Y'all, we moved to the pond. We was catching them, but no, we want to catch something a little bit bigger. Tant just caught a damn monster brim. That thing flew right off as soon as he had it on the bank. It flopped off into the water. So we're gonna try it again. I don't know if we got it on video. It was a baby turtle. Alright, y'all. Well, caught some creek chubs, and all we had was 2 hand-sized brim, and then they hopped off. So it's that time. We're gonna walk back towards the hills, and I broke my line in the tree right there. So yeah. Till next time, keep it deep woods and go fishing. What you do for fun whenever you live in the middle of nowhere. Shoot air pistols. He's gonna try and shoot. Alright, if you see this rock right where the tip of my finger was, I'm gonna zoom in on it now. Alright, there's the rock. Let's see if you got it. Oh, so close. That was short that time. The other one's been right over the top of it.
I got it this time. We gotta pump it up.
It's almost like them old pump masters. Let me get zoomed in again so we can watch you smack it if you're there. Alright. Oh!
Nick! That was a headshot.
Headshot. There's a buck. Well, you shot him in the butt.